This is my second catalog launch that I'm not doing a paper party. I've been asked multiple times, emails and whatnot, about doing a paper party. Like, am I doing one? And what I decided with a friend, who actually, the other person that was the original creator of the paper party, is that we were going to create a course. So if you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you've seen my paper parties over the years, there's like a jet flying above my house right now or something. Anyways, and you've seen my paper parties and you've wondered how I do them, how I pull them together, all of that, I got your back. We created a course. So I'm putting the finishing touches on it. It is chef's kiss, you guys. It's so good. So I'm going to show you really quick a little sneak peek behind the scenes of what we have going on. Okay, check out the curriculum to this course. We have welcome, we have how to get ready, we have how to advertise, how to utilize Facebook, how to pull the party together, and all the final tips and suggestions. And we are even creating a mock Facebook group for you to experience the paper party in, and we're gonna go live in there and answer questions. We are also, check this out, this one is really exciting. Katina is teaching how to create a PDF, and I'm telling you, this is gold. She spent hours creating this. You are going to love it. So there's so many good things in here about all the things, and you're gonna want to get this course. So to sign up to be the first on the list to get the discount for the course when it launches, the link is below this video if you wanna sign up to get the emails now.